Hello friends, I am Mahesh Patil, the co-CIO of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. I head the equity function at Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. The equity investment philosophy of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund is essentially to ensure that all our funds beat the respective benchmark over the market cycle and deliver superior risk-adjusted returns. And while doing so, try to ensure that we maintain a consistent style and being true to label as per the fund objective. Our philosophy is also a good blend of top-down and bottom-up investment research. The bottom-up investment research essentially involves identifying companies which help us to beat the benchmark. While identifying companies, we focus on businesses which have got good long-term growth potential and which are growing faster than the economy. Also businesses which generate a decent return on capital employed over the market cycle. And we pay a lot of emphasis on the management quality because we've seen that the good management can make all the difference for companies in terms of wealth creation. And finally, the investment, the buying and selling a stock is based on the underlying valuation. We have a fixed investment universe from which the fund managers can invest into, and there is a strict criteria for companies to be included as a part of the investment universe, which goes through a lot of deliberation within the team before the stock becomes a part of the investment universe and it can be bought into the portfolio. So we have a strong research team which comprises of 6 senior portfolio managers which have got diverse experience ranging from 20 to 25 years, and we have a team of analysts, 12 analysts who track the various sectors, again with experience ranging from around 10 to 20 years. Our emphasis is on our own in-house research, and we have currently around close to 360 companies as a part of our investment universe. We believe that it's important to have a proper risk management framework to ensure that the funds do well across the market cycle. So we have a very detailed risk management framework which identifies the kind of risk the portfolio manager is allowed to take at the sector level, at the stock level, and within that framework, the fund manager needs to really take active bets to outperform the respective benchmark. The Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, we have a long track record of more than 20 years in the industry. The current investment team has been fairly stable and been with the firm for now almost 12 to 13 years. I have been with this firm for 13 years and over a period of time we have strengthened the investment team across various functions, research analysts, fund managers. On the dealing side, we also have a small knowledge management team which supports the investment team in terms of the database analytics, and as a result the teamwork of Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund is reflected in terms of the good long-term performance of its fund. Also, since the fund house has been in existence for a long period of time, we've got diverse products. We have the whole bouquet of products from the lowest risk spectrum, which is the arbitrage fund, moving on to the balanced advantage fund, large cap, mid cap, and other thematic categories which are there, which investors can really choose from depending on their risk appetite and in terms of their long-term call on a particular sector.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.